Nuts, right? So what happened, cuz? You still doing it? Yeah. It's hot. No. ESC hot, man. Somebody to be out of here. Damn, cousin. It's alright. We gotta get it right today. Today. Oh, look, he's driving. Oh, yeah. He hype.
You landed, you good?
He hype. Damn. Hold on, let it cool off, cuz. Stay off the jump though, little man. Gotta come down, remember? Come off the jump, don't hit yourself. Yeah, see? You know how we do. He come out here, he be with us. Yeah, hell yeah. There you go. Hit it. All right, watch out. I'm coming down. Stand back. Stand back. You gotta stand off to the side. You ready? Go back up. Go ahead, you next. Oh, nice. You can't see it. Go see it. There you go.
He's gonna park right next to you.
You gonna park next to me?
That thing's actually starting.
Back up. You in the blue. That's right. You always the one. You got an RC, bro? You got an RC?
Yeah, I got a Notorious. But I gotta do a little fixing to it, a couple bills.
Get you a 5th scale, my brother. 5th scale, plenty fun. Oh, yeah, there you go. He nice with it. Okay. You go sit on your feet. Sit on your feet.
It's on the boy's feet. You got speed of it?
You go. It's on me. I'm waiting. It's on you.
Is that a camera on?
Yeah, you on YouTube. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hit it. Oh.
Oh.
There you go.
It landed. Right next to me once, Mike.
Yep. It's slippery. It's slippery.
Yeah. And last time.
Watch out. I'm coming down.
Back up. How did that land?
Huh? Oh yeah, man. This thing beat this thing to death, man.
If I were you, I would not beat that thing to death.
Beat it to death, man. You gotta bash it till you break it.
That costs
something
like
happened.
$1,000 or that cost us like $1,000.
Uh-oh, something happened. Something must be the connector. It ain't getting a full connection. I don't know. I'm about to take the top off and see. Maybe the battery. This battery connector. That one's good. To be honest, I think I need a new motor to be real. Yeah, I definitely do. I definitely do. Definitely acting up. I think it's the motor. But I got what I got, so I get a new one. So we both need something. You need a motor, I need an ESC. I mean, you need an ESC, I need a motor. Yeah. But we gonna get you right, man. Trust today. Man, was it doing it at your house? It was doing it at your house? It was doing it at your house? Oh, then yeah. You know what that is. Watch out, here we go. Like a pillow just laying like a poof. Poof. See if I can hit a front flip. Oh, she did it, but she broke. Oh, the arm. Just the arm. Arm, turnbuckle screw, and a hinge pin. Easy fix. That's the easy fix. Well, that was a hard fall. Day done. Oh yeah, I'm done. It's broke. Yeah. I took a nosedive crazy. Yep. But that's an easy fix though. It's an easy fix. This junk that's coming out today. I'm gonna get that up out of here and we're gonna finish up. That's all for today, man. Falcon bashing, that's how I go. You win some, you lose some. Built by Rob, Steve, we out.